Welcome back into this new video text quest. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with this new application called Deepseek. So you can forget about the ChatGPT because there is a new AI on the block and it's totally for free. So by the end of this tutorial, you're going to be using the powerful AI tool. Now, what exactly is the Deepseek? Now, the Deepseek is a completely free chatbot that works just like the ChatGPT. You can use it for writing, for coding, for research, and learning new skills. So the best part, unlike the ChatGPT, is that this one is totally for free. You have the link down below in the description to access the deepseek.com. So just go directly to Deepseek if you wanted to. No downloads, no installation, and create your first account. Once you have created your account, you're going to be prompted to be sent into the chat of the Deepseek. Now, how we can actually use the Deepseek AI for writing. So we can start with writing. So whether you need an article, an email, or a social media post, Deepseek AI can help. Let's start with just an example prompt. For example, writing a 200-word blog post about the future of the AI. Once you've finished with your prompt, you can tell exactly what is the solve reasoning problems. So the Deepseek can be helping you to solve reasoning problems, for example, from the daily tasks, but in this case, it is not. Now here, the search is the search the web when necessarily. In this case, we wanted to be a little bit creative, so we don't need any of this power tools, and we don't need it to add any docs or images so far, so we can just send the prompt and let the application work by itself. With that prompt, we have now this new information from the future of AI transformation tomorrow, artificial intelligence, future concept in the workplace, blah 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 blah, ultimately, and of course it actually looks really well. So it is fast, it is well structured, and completely free. So you can also edit text and ask for refinement. So for example, let's say it is great, but give me some examples or latest studies. And with this information, now these Deepseeks should be giving me more examples, more latest studies. So for example, we have a predict accurately here, we have the Khan Academy, Camigo, we have the European Union, we have the AI Lab researched, and basically this is what I was looking for. Now, if you need help with coding, the Deepseek AI is great for that tool. For example, using a Python, we can write a Python script to scrap some data from a website, right? And I can send the prompt, and here's a Python script that demonstrates how to scrape the data from a web using the request and beautiful SOAP libraries, for example. And here's the actual script. So this is how the request works, and how does it work? This is the actual elements that we needed to use in order to get started. And here are a few notes if you wanted to use them. Now, if you wanted to use this for research and for learning, for example, we can try out, for example, with something like explaining the quantum computing in simple terms. And this time I'm going to be enabling the searched mode. So with this information, it should be giving something more accurate and easy to understand summary. So you might want to talk a little bit more about the Deepseek AI, for example, versus, I don't know, maybe the ChatGPT. So the ChatGPT is not for free. I believe it has a free version, but this is going to be really limited. It has a speed that is going to be very fast, but still Deepseek does a really great job. The accuracy is decent, and the features, of course, in this case is a little bit limited because we don't have a lot of tools and plugins rather than the ChatGPT, but still this actually does a really great work. Speaking about that, this is a free version, right? So just a few tips that I can give you for Deepseek to use it like a pro. For example, just try to be specific with your prompts. Use the follow-up prompts and check for facts manually. So the AI can sometimes be wrong even though it's ChatGPT, so always verify the information. Do not trust the artificial intelligence, so read that information, use the one that is working for you, and later on you can try to personalize or customize your information. So what do you think about these great Deepseek AI instead of the ChatGPT? You can let me know in the comments below. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to check out more videos and more applications like Deepseek and much more. Thank you once again, and see you next time.